Everyone today is saying the same thing: delete Instagram, delete social media. But honestly, if deleting apps fixed life, most people would already be successful by now. The problem is not with social media, the problem is how we use it without control. See, social media is like a fire. If you use it properly, it helps you. If you use it carelessly, it burns you. Instead of deleting it, learn how to control it. Point 1. Open apps with intention. Most people open Instagram or YouTube without any reason. They open it because they are bored, tired, or avoiding work. Before opening any app, pause for 1 second and ask yourself, why I am opening this right now? If you don't have a clear answer, don't open it. This one habit alone will reduce your screen time naturally. Point 2. Clean your feed slowly. Your mind becomes what you watch every day. If your feed is full of gossip, drama, and useless content, your thinking will also become shallow. Start unfollowing pages that don't add value. Follow people who teach, build, and think clearly. See, you don't need motivation all the time. You need better input. That's it. Point 3. Make scrolling slightly difficult. Relying only on discipline is hard. Instead, change your environment. Remove social media apps from your home screen. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep the apps 1 or 2 clicks away. When scrolling requires effort, you automatically do it less. Point 4. Use social media to build, not escape. Many people use social media to escape their real life. That is where addiction starts. Try using it to learn something, share your thoughts, or build a skill. Creators usually don't get addicted easily. Mindless consumers do. So slowly shift from consuming to creating. Point 5. Fix your timings in advance. Don't decide every day how much you will scroll. That creates mental negotiation. Instead, fix a simple rule. For example, 30 minutes at night. When the time is over, close the app without guilt and excuses. See, deleting social media without fixing your habits will not change your life. If you sleep late, eat badly, and avoid important tasks, the problem is not in the app. The problem is self-control. So don't delete social media. Delete mindless usage. Delete useless content. Delete habits that waste your energy. When you control the app, it becomes a tool. When you don't, it controls you.